All right, so I know athletes love quizzes, right?
Quizzes? Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we're gonna jump right into the hot seat. The acronym for BASE was coined by filmmaker Carl Bonesh when he filmed the first jump in what year? 1968, 1978, or 1985?
I would have to say 78.
Oh, you are correct. All right, nice.
I wasn't sure, but I was trying to get the timeline straight in my head.
All right, but base jumping started off before that, didn't it?
Well, technically, base jumping, I mean, the acronym is building, antenna, span, which is a bridge, and earth, which is a cliff. But then it evolved as just jumping of static objects with a parachute, so not jumping from an aircraft. So if you apply this rule, technically, the first person to do a base jump was a French guy.
Are you sure?
In the
What
18th
year?
century,
Okay.
I think it was 1780 something, I can't remember. It was Louis Sébastien Lenormand, who was kind of like a French, like I think, inventor, and he jumped off the observatory in Montpellier in south of France with a piece of silk, and somehow he landed safely and walked away.
Nice.
So I think that qualifies as a base jump, but yeah, granted, it was not the modern form of base jumping. But I still like to claim that a French guy did it first.
Okay, well that's fair. I mean, I can't go back and disprove that, so we'll give that one to him.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you want to learn more about this series, make sure to subscribe to BeAlive on their YouTube or podcast app. You can also find them on other social channels. I'm Zak Shelhamer, and until the next one, stay stoked.